In this video, we will learn how to draw an ant. Ants are usually of two colors, that is a red and brown. Now we will learn how to draw a tree, different types of trees. Yes, we have learned lot of trees, but you should know how to draw the different types of trees by the environment. Yes, so here we are done. Here we will draw a dragonfly. Dragonfly is an insect, a flying insect. So here we will learn how to draw 6 flowers, that is of different types of 6 flowers. We have learned how to draw a rose and a sunflower, which is very easy to draw, but here these are the 6 different flowers which you can try in your drawing notebook. Yes, so these are the 6 different flowers and you can color it with your favorite colors and it is completed.